single day. I'm gonna make something great.
So, hi everyone. So today, let's talk about these magnetic lashes, the do's and the don'ts, because at the end of the day, my girlfriend is going to make me kill her, not literally, but kill her, because she was ready to just throw away her magnetic lashes because they were all clumped up and carried on. So, I'm going to show you how to clean your magnetic lashes and what not to clean them with. First of all, please do not, and I mean do not, clean your magnetic lashes with some nail polish remover. Okay? You see that? Why would you do that? Why? I asked her why would she do that. She soaked them in the nail polish remover because she's like used to putting on lashes, and she go to the salon and get her lashes done. But she put on her lashes, with the hair glue and what have you. But she takes the nail polish for that and remove the glue from those, okay? Which is like pretty crazy to me. I mean, I wear strip lashes too. I've never went to the salon. I can do that myself. That's just like a waste of my money to me. That's my preference, okay? But you don't take and put them in the nail polish remover, okay? Because as long as you let them sit, yes, one of her magnets came off, okay? One of the magnets came off. Try to get this closer. Okay, you have, this one has like 2 magnets on it, okay? You do not soak this in nail polish remover. You have the other magnetics, they're like more of to fill in. Let me see, yeah, you see them? They come like this. Wait, they come like this. These are like the fillers. You could stick them in little places to like fill in your lashes. Some of them come with the 2 magnets, some of them come with the 3. But I'm going to show you how to clean them, and then also, I already have one on, I'm going to show you how to put the other one on. But in order for you to clean these lashes, because you should not be putting mascara on them, put the mascara on your own eyelashes, and after it has dried, you can put your mascara on first, and then do your face. By the time you're finished, your mascara being dry. But I've been cleaning my magnetic lashes for the length of time I've been using. I've been using like 2 years with the Olay, the micellar water, for makeup. So, you're going to take your micellar water, you're going to take your Q-tip, you're going to push down on that, which is going to soak the Q-tip. Hold them and clean them. Clean them off. You see that? Clean it off with the micellar, okay? You can also rub that over the magnet on the end. Your magnet is still going to be there. But don't put them back in the case. I usually take and put them on a sheet like that to dry. And once they're dry, and you can store them back in your case, because I call these my, on the go. Because, my number 1 lashes I first started wearing was the All Mine, the human hair. But, when you're running late, because my go-to are my LA colors. Yeah, you can see it right there. I wear either the Entice or the Enchanted, but my magnetic lashes are, on the go, because, everyone runs late every so often, but I always have these in my purse because, I can stop when I get to work, in the mirror, click, click, and bam, I have my lashes on. But for those of you who are not sure how to put them on, let me take a second and show you. I mean, mine and I kind of stay not so much hooked together, but I mean, you take them apart. Let's get up a little close. There's my mirror. Okay, for me, they're very easy. I take one, hook it on top of my lashes because it already has the mascara on it. You can blink a minute, take the bottom, and I usually hold it because mine has the two, one at the end, at the beginning and at the end, and catch it there because you can basically hear it click. And voila, they're on. They're on, and you're ready to go. So, like I said, please do not, sissy girlfriend, do not clean these lashes ever again with some alcohol, some nail polish remover. No. But, I mean, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're interested in wearing the magnetic lashes. I mean, some people are, some people aren't. I mean, it's your preference, but that is the proper way to clean them. So thank you for watching.